Hello everybody, it's That Techie Guy here, unboxing the brand new Apple Vision Pro. If I can get it. Whoa. Check that out. Look at that big boy. There we go. Here's our first look. Wow, look at that. That looks incredible. Golly. And it's just sitting perfectly in here. It's like there's nothing holding it down. It just sits perfectly. That is so cool. Look at that. Golly. So we got polishing cloth. Look at that. That is a nice cloth. You can see it says Apple Vision Pro. That's so cool. Paperwork. I've heard that there's no stickers in here, but I hope I'm wrong. Look at that. That is so cool. It's like a quick start guide. Apple Vision Pro Tour. Rotate to turn on. Customize fit. Use iPhone to set up Apple Vision Pro. Dual loop. Wow, that is really cool. That girl is so lucky to be like the face of Apple Vision Pro. Care instructions. You can only handle by the frame. Do not pick it up by the light seal. Remove the cover. Displays and sensors. Cleaning. Do not wrap the battery like that. Only wrap it like that. We do the dual loop band. Wow, look at that. It's pretty cool. I heard that's the comfy strap. Put that one over here for now. We have our light seal cushion. Wow, look at that. That's such a cool box. So I'm going to pull out and pull out, and it kind of comes undone. Everybody I watched just ripped that. And the last few things we have in here, got of course the battery pack. Very cool, very cool. Oh, look at that. That's cool. So it's locked in. You have to twist it. Oh, just kidding. Da, 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 da. Bryce is satisfied. Wow. That's awesome. And we have the charger for it, which I will leave in here. And we have power brick. So leave it here. Alright. That's our unboxing. I get that from my dad, leaving stuff in the box without the wrapper on. Okay, now we're going to get into the actual headset unboxing. Just pop that guy off. Pop that guy off. And this should lift out like that. And we can get our first look at the headset here. Wow. That looks incredible. Every time I see it, it looks incredible. Wow. Alright, we're going to plug it in for the first time. Line up that circle there. And then it should click in. Oh, I see the light. And then we should be able to see the Apple logo on the display here. Wow. So let's go through the setup process together here. Okay, let's see this. Whoa. Yeah, I gotta tighten it to my head. Press and hold to align. Okay, I can see now. Press digital crown to begin. Bring iPhone or iPad nearby to get started. That is cool. Press the digital crown to set up your eyes and hands. Look at the dot and tap your fingers together to select it. Persona Beta. Capture how you'll appear in FaceTime and other calls and personalize eyesight. Remove Apple Vision Pro to begin capture.
Keep your arms and shoulders relaxed.
Whoa, okay.
Align your entire face
I can see
within
my
the frame.
face.
Adjust your head by tilting it slightly down. Look back at the center.
It looks like I got it.
Keep your face in a neutral expression. Slowly turn your head to the right. Next, let's capture your facial expressions. Smile with your mouth closed. Then make a big smile with your teeth showing. Now raise your eyebrows. Close your eyes for a moment. Capture complete. Put Vision Pro back on to continue.
It actually does look like me. In all of the marketing and stuff, I was like, this doesn't look like them, whatever. I feel like this actually does pretty much look like me. Wow, it actually works. You can touch stuff in. If you bring a window close to you, you can touch it. This thing is absolutely sick. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you want to see more content like this, hit the subscribe button down below. If you have any Vision Pro questions at all, let me know in the comments below. I will try to answer them or make a video about it if that's what you guys want to see. Catch you guys in the next one.